Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. On this last episode of the FD RX7 turnkey build series, we're going to put the finishing touches on this FD RX7 and get it ready for pickup by its owner. To help this LS3 crankcase breathe a little easier, we installed this catch can and breather setup. In order to help the air flow through the AC condenser and the radiator, we fabricated this aluminum scoop / under tray just to help direct the air up through those components and make sure that the cooling capacity on this thing is top notch. Alright guys, the last and final step of the FD RX7 turnkey build is to get these plaques on there. They have serial number, horsepower and torque numbers, the year, make and model of the car. Pretty awesome little badge that shows off what this car got when it was built. So we're going to get these riveted onto the firewall and one in the interior, and that'll wrap this build up. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the FD RX7 turnkey build series. We're going to be bummed to see this car go, but we know it's going to make for one happy customer. We hope you like the series. Make sure you stay tuned to see more just like this.